Well, I swear your perfume, baby, is made out of turnip green. Every time I kiss you, girl, it tastes like pork and beans. Even though you're wearing those uptown high heels, I can tell from your giant step you've been walking through the cotton field. Every time you move like that, girl, I got to get down and pray. Girl, you know that dress you're wearing, made out of fiberglass. Every time you move like that, girl, I got to go to Sunday Mass. I'm gonna take you to the muddy river and push you in, so I can watch the water roll on down your velvet skin. I'm gonna take you down to New Orleans, down in Dixieland, so I can watch you do the second line with an umbrella in your hand.